Hi, I'm Sarah Starr from Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. In today's session, we'll be focusing on gentle stretches to help you start your day feeling alert, refreshed, and rejuvenated while using a chair for support. Let's go ahead and begin by focusing on our breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine. Breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part to our three-part breath, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale, belly, and then ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale, belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale, belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale, belly, ribs, and chest. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way out. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice, beginning with shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around. Continue with this movement, gradually increasing your range of motion, allowing this movement to recharge and energize your body, releasing tension in your neck, shoulders, and upper back. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, lifting up, forward, down, and around. And then release, returning to center, moving into a lateral neck stretch. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder, gently leaning to the left, and then you can just reach your left arm out and away towards the earth. And we can add a little wrist and hand stretch here. So point and flex through your left hand. To release, use your left hand to support the weight of your head, returning to center. And then we'll go to the opposite side. Clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Sitting tall, relax your right ear toward your right shoulder. And you can already start to feel a stretch here in the left side of your neck. Lean a little bit more to the right. And then just reach your right arm away. Adding our wrist and hand stretch, point and flex. And then to release, use your right hand to support the weight of your head, returning to center. From here, inhale, reach your arms overhead, looking up gently. Exhale, lower your arms, chin towards your chest. Inhale, raise your arms overhead, looking up. Exhale, lower your arms, chin towards your chest. Inhale, gathering up the energy. Exhale, lower, chin towards your chest. Continue flowing at your own pace, wrapping this movement around your breath. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position. Moving into modified sun salutations. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, lengthen your spine. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift to a flat back, re-lengthen your spine, feeling your core strong. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, gathering up the energy. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift to a flat back, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead, pausing here. Re-lengthen your spine, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist. With your next exhale, bow to the right. Inhale to center, exhale, bow to the left. Inhale, center, exhale, hands to thighs, slowly folding forward. Inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Pausing here once again with our lateral stretch. Lifting up and out of your waist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bow to the right. Inhale, return to center. Exhale, bow to the left. Inhale to upright. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, lengthen your spine. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position. Moving into a modified reverse plank position, place your hands to the seat of your chair, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, lifting through your heart. Keep the back of your neck long, pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest. Continue here or straighten your legs, pressing the soles of your feet into the earth, keeping your legs active, scooping your heart to the sky. Place your feet back to center, moving into a modified cat-cow stretch. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Inhale, sweep your hands back towards the seat of your chair, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend, re-energizing your nervous system. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. And release, returning to center. Moving into a gentle seated twist. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, feeling your spine long. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, placing your left hand to your right leg. and your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine. And with each exhale, gently twisting a little deeper, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Exhale, unwind, and we'll repeat to the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, feeling your spine long. Exhale, twist to the left, placing your right hand to your left leg and your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, lengthen from the base of your spine upward. And with each exhale, gently twisting a little deeper, rotating from your belly, ribs, and chest. Exhale, unwind, returning to center. Moving into a gentle ear massage, using your thumbs and index fingers, gently massage your earlobes in small circles, stimulating the energy points that run through your ears and into your body, triggering the release of good endorphins, boosting your immune cells, and reducing stress. Release, pausing for a moment, reconnecting to your breath. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Gently close your eyes, focusing on your breath. Noticing your breath as it moves in and out. Allowing your breath to be easy and natural now. Letting go of any unnecessary effort in your body as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like. And when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath. Feeling your body recharged, rejuvenated, adding some gentle movement, Waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead. Placing your hands in prayer position. Allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
After filming over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr for public television, we're proud to present Happy Yoga on Demand. Over the last 10 years of teaching chair yoga, Sarah Starr has become the foremost expert in creating accessible yoga practices. And with this online streaming service, you're able to have access to the entire Happy Yoga catalog, including all the Happy Yoga episodes, live audio yoga classes, breath, and meditation.
Each portal provides you with a customized experience, including our accessible yoga portal, featuring our gentle yoga programs for anyone who wants to know how to start a practice, or if regular yoga just seems like too much, but still want to receive the benefits of yoga without getting out of your chair. Also included are the Mastering Balance programs, which allow you to experience seated and standing postures to strengthen your core, increase stability, balance, and muscle tone using a chair for support. From there, you have the option to take your practice to the yoga mat. If you've been doing accessible yoga and are looking for more of a challenge, our intermediate yoga portal provides you with a dynamic yoga practice with a variety of sessions, allowing you to grow your practice at your own pace. Whether you're new to yoga or looking for inspiration to grow your practice, we have a yoga session for you. Visit happyyogaondemand.com.